Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Neo 3 and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So let's just first check currently animation here. So we can see that's just miracles here. Just to change it, we should launch the settings application and scroll to the passwords and security. Then tap here to the fingerprint, enter your password or draw the pattern, and then just click here to fingerprint animation. Now just switch your currently animation to one from this available. So for example, I'll go with this one, and then just to save the changes, tap on the home button, for example, lock the device, and now we can see that we just successfully changed our device just fingerprint sensor animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.